Alright, so this is the Team G sale from Kickstarter. This review isn't necessarily about a traditional unboxing of what's in the box. Like obviously, I'm gonna open up the box, let you guys see what's in it. But I'm doing this video more so because I, like many other Kickstarter backers, took months. I think this took about 9 months to get to me. It was supposed to be delivered, I believe, back in October was the late estimate, and it didn't get delivered to my original requested address until May, and then I had to have it arranged to be shipped to me to my new address, which took even longer. So this is going on like a 9-10 month process for me. With the poor communication, honestly the project was a nightmare. It made me rethink ever being involved with Kickstarter again, especially when it comes to something like this, because I was super excited to originally get this board. Looked really good, price was where I wanted it to be, and the features were what I was looking for. But back on topic, during the campaign, Team G promised some extras. So I want to see if they actually lived up to it. Because of the delays, they promised a bag. I think because of the unlock bonuses for stretch goals, that's what they're called. Because of the stretch goals, they promised like some extra PU covers for the motors, and then also late in the campaign, they offered to do blank decks. Originally, it was supposed to be asked for black, but then they came out with this like fuchsia color. If you didn't want to go with one of their original designs, which I personally didn't too much care for, and apparently a lot of other people didn't. So, without further ado, I'm gonna crack into this box, see what actually came, what actually they did do, what didn't they do, and then since I have the board now, I'll do a initial review, a couple follow-ups, and let you guys know what I think of the board. So, stay tuned. Alright. Pretty cheap box. Don't know how it survived the journey from China, honestly, without more damage. This is very, very thin cardboard. Like, scared I'm just gonna like rip the entire thing. Okay. That. So the actual deck box is a lot better than the shipping box. Let you guys get the first view as always. If this board is as thin, I doubt it's as thin as this image, but it's even close. That is going to be really exciting. I really want a travel board that I don't get questions about when I go on an airline. That way I can just throw it in with my carry-on, I have to worry about checking it. I believe the battery, I have to do some more research, but I'm pretty sure the battery's around 99 watt hours, which means it is travel approved. But let's go ahead and open her up, see what she's cooking with. Alright, so this cover, maybe it's simple even. Don't know what temperament means as far as this is concerned. Deck is pretty small. Honestly, it's expecting a little bit longer, but that's fine. Okay, so you see that here. So this is what I was talking about. The original designs were there's a bear, I think like a skull and a gorilla. They each had like instruments. It was weird. But this is actually super thin. I'm excited about that. This grip tape is kind of weird. It has like almost like a foam to it. So that'll be interesting to see what kind of cushion it provides. Wheels are pretty large, so that should be helpful. But just look at the thinness of this deck. That's pretty incredible. If this thing performs, I may forget and forgive everything that we went through for the campaign. But I do actually prefer this a lot more to the original design that they went with. We asked for black, they came back with this, and I think one other option. And then also I noticed that the wheels, so originally the wheels were like a see-through blue is what they were advertising, but these are black, which I'm perfectly fine with. I didn't mind the didn't mind the blue wheels, but can't go wrong with black. It's classic. Covers, so they did live up to the covers, and a little light. I think it has a strobe function, so that'd be nice for the safety feature. And then they did provide the bag. It's a very crappy bag. Like, the board doesn't even fit all in it when they showed the video online, so I won't even go into it, but they did live up to that. So thank you guys if you do see this video. Thank you for living up to your word as far as throwing in all the extras that you said you were going to. And then you got classic T-tool. I have a couple of these, so I'm not really worried. Micro USB for the remote. Here is the remote. Boosted style. Okay, I like that. It goes right back to center. And then you can choose forward or reverse, so you have to select. It's not like some other boards where if you just go in reverse, it'll go in reverse. That means that if you pull back, it's gonna break, slow you down. Very, very small charger, so I'm very interested to see how long it takes to actually charge this thing. I may throw that at the end of this video, depending on how long I've been talking for, because I feel like I've been rambling. Probably won't, but I definitely will let you guys know how long it takes to charge this thing from dead, as well as how I like the remote. I do like that they have the actual company name on here, because I know a lot of Chinese companies make similar remotes to this, and if you have multiple boards, then it can get confusing. So this definitely eliminates that of mixing it up with anything else. And without further ado, I'm gonna end this here. Follow up with you guys later to let you know how I like the board. But the last thing I will do is, so that's something that I immediately don't like that I just noticed. I don't know if you can see this too well, but the tail, like, this is already coming off, whatever this like plastic foam nonsense is. So it's already a knock against the board. I do like the top cover, but if this board lasts at all, I probably will definitely replace this. And let's see if it tells me how much of a charge it came with at all. Does it turn on? It's blinking red, which leads me to believe that there's not much charge. Okay, let's see. So it's come with some charge. I'm showing 3. I don't know if that's a speed. Okay, so so the top other remote is for like the speed indicators, and then if you've noticed, it doesn't give you status, but it does. Okay, so I think that's 20, 25, and it's blinking, so it's probably like half, which means close to 75% charge. But the green LED shows that you do have charge in the board, which is pretty cool. And then there's a Wi-Fi signal to show that it's connected. It's very quiet, and it is a single hub motor, which I didn't remember, but not too huge of a deal, but whatever. And let's see if it shows what size the battery is at all. It doesn't show what size the battery is, which may not necessarily be a bad thing, especially as far as like traveling goes, because then that will lead to like deniability or whatever. But then typical warnings. I'm gonna charge this up a little bit, give her a ride, and get back to you guys in another video on my thoughts. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.